So once again, we know that this quiz is science-based, and I would first like to thank our teachers and principal for allowing us, giving us this opportunity to organize this science quiz. And as we all know, this is science and space-related quiz. So first, I would like to talk about one of the great people who actually played a pivotal role in science exploration in India. That is our late former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I would like to quote one of his words, which is science is a beautiful gift to humanity and we should not distort it. So Abdul Kalam was known as the Missile Man of India and was our 11th president. He played a pivotal role in the nuclear testing for Pokhran 2 in 1998. And he is also known as the People's President. Dr. Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on October 15th, 1931, and into a fisherman's family. But he developed himself, and he served as an Indian aerospace scientist and a politician, later on serving as our president from 2002 to 2007. He spent almost 4 decades of his life uh, as a scientist and a science administrator, mainly at the DRDO, which is Defense Research and Development Organization. Abdul Kalam's involvement in the nuclear power in India earned him the title as the Missile Man of India. He has written numerous books on various subjects like Indomitable Spirit and his autobiography, Wings of Fire, still being one of India's major bestsellers with over 90 lakh copies sold. So this October 15th, on what could have been his 89th birthday, this October 15th, let us take a moment to appreciate his achievement for this great nation. So as we are through the introduction now, let's begin this quiz and I wish you all the best. So let's begin. I will be presenting this. I'll be presenting the quiz. Abhijit and Kishore will be checking if there are any malpractice going on. So first of all, I'd like all the students, I welcome everyone here, and I would like all the students to turn on the video, but please mute themselves until they are asked. Ayana and Mayuka, could you please turn on your camera? No, Ryan and Mayuka. Okay, so I will start presenting right now. I'll tell you the rules again. So I'll just start presenting here. Okay, so I'll start presenting here. Okay, so I think you can. Yes, I'll explain the rules once more right now. So, everyone, welcome to the science quiz for 6th, 7th, and 8th. So, we are going to be starting the first round right now. I hope everyone is ready with their pen and papers. So, as I told, I'll repeat the rules right now. There are 10 questions, which could be science related, space related, or even about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, I hope you all really paid attention to the introduction because there may be some clues in there as well. So there are 10 questions. I need you all to write the question number and answers down. After I'm done with all the 10 questions, you could ask me to repeat the questions if you want. There is no problem. I will be putting a contact number in the chat as well as in the WhatsApp group. So you have to send your answer sheet to that number and even with your names. Please introduce yourself there as well. So I hope everyone is ready. Could everyone just unmute themselves and tell you are ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay, so as everyone turned on the video, has everyone turned on the video?
Yes, Navneet, they have.
Okay, give me a second. I'll just join this so that I can admit everyone even when I'm presenting. Okay. Okay, great. So I am presenting right now. So we'll start with the first round. So I hope everyone knows how this is going to work. So everyone, welcome to the Science Quiz 2020. So I'll start with the first question right now, which is going to be, so each student has to write the answers to these questions and send it to the numbers given in the chat. So the first question, what is the name of the first satellite that was sent into space? By any country, what is the name of the first satellite that was sent into space? When everyone is done writing, please tell me. And please don't do any malpractice. Please do not check the internet for the answers or anything. So has everyone written down the answer?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Only the satellite name, right? No need of the country's name.
No, just the satellite's name. That is enough. Okay, so can I go to the next question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so the next question is, what is this year's World Space Week got over very recently? So what was the theme for this year's World Space Week? You can all tell done when you're done with the answers, okay? Is everyone done?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay, so shall I go to the next question? Okay, so the next question is going to be, where did the former president of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, passed away? He passed away on July of 2015. I want you to write the place where he passed away. He was delivering speech there that day, and he collapsed and he had a cardiac arrest. I want you to write it. Which was that place? Do not want the institute name, just the general name of the city. If you have any doubt, please ask.
We need to write the district
Yeah, the city, that's it.
or the place.
No, not the specific place. Just write the city name. That will be good.
No need of that institute name.
No. Just the place is enough.
Okay.
So has everyone written down their answers to this question?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So can I move to the next question?
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Okay, great. So the fourth question will be, this is you can see the picture. Dr. APJ Kalam was the first president to visit this glacier. This is a glacier in India. He was the first president to visit it. Which glacier is it? It's a very famous glacier. Many of you have known. Many of you should know this.
You can repeat the question.
Yes. So this glacier seen here. This is a very famous glacier in India. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the first president to visit this glacier. Could you write the name of the glacier? This is a very famous glacier. It was in the news very in recent years. There was a situation there. Has everyone written down the answer to this question?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be the fifth question. Everyone knows that Albert Einstein is a very famous scientist and very famous scientist and physician, and he has a lot of credits to his name. So, what earned him his Nobel Prize? I want you to write what did he propose or discover that earned him his Nobel Prize? So, has everyone written down this answer? What discovery did Albert Einstein receive his Nobel Prize in the year 1921?
We need to write that subject.
You have to write what is the discovery that he made that earned him his Nobel Prize. Is everyone done with this question as well?
Yes.
Okay, so I will go to the next question, which is going to be, what are the pencil cores or nibs made of? You can see the what are the pencil cores made of? Should be a very simple question. Write down the answers very fast. Oh, is everyone done with this question?
Yes.
Okay, I want everyone to reply. I think only 2 or 3 of you are replying. I want everyone to reply to if I ask. So shall I move forward?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So the next question is, this is a very famous scientist. Uh, guess who this person is? He's a very famous physicist and was also an early writer of science fiction. So who is this physicist? So has everyone written down the answer to this question? Don't worry, we'll come back if you have any doubt. I can repeat it again.
Can you repeat it?
Okay. This person you see in the picture here, he is a very famous physicist and is world renowned. He was also one of the early writers of science fiction. So I want you to guess who is this physicist. Has everyone written down?
Yeah, you may go to the next question.
Okay, first before that, Abhijit, is everyone's video on?
Yes, it is.
Okay, great. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so the next question is going to be, what you see here is one of NASA's most famous telescope. So I think this was even mentioned in the quiz before. The answer to this was kind of mentioned in the quiz before if you heard it. So that's a clue right there. Identify this NASA's most famous space telescope. So do everyone have their answers?
Yes.
Okay, so shall I move on to the next question? So shall I move on?
Yes.
Um, so this is an MCQ question here. The question is, which Indian scientist is known as the Thomas Alva Edison of India? He's an inventor who is known as the Thomas Alva Edison of India. So we have four options here. One is option A, Hargobind Khorana. Option B, M.S. Swaminathan. D.D. Naidu.
Can you please show the previous question? Because I was suddenly thrown
Yeah,
out
sure.
of the meeting.
Okay. This one?
Yes.
Is it this one? So which is NASA's most famous space telescope?
Now you can move to the next
Okay.
question.
I see that Amarnath VV left right now.
Yes, it was me. I joined back.
Oh, okay. So the question. So will you write down this question now? Okay. Which Indian scientist is known as the Thomas Alva Edison of India? He's an inventor, and this is an MCQ question. So you have options. You can either write down the full name, or even the options will be fine. So option A, Hargobind Khorana. Option B, M.S. Swaminathan. Option C, G.D. Naidu. And option D, Homi J. Bhabha. So has everyone written down their answers for this question?
Yes.
Okay, so let me move forward to the final question of round one. After this, I'll send a contact in the quiz group as well as in the chat. I want you to send the answers, send your answer sheet to that number, and he will check for the answers. After that, we will resume with round two as soon as he is done checking with the answers. Okay. So the last question we have is, you see this mountain? This is the largest volcanic mountain on Mars. could you name what is the name of this volcanic mountain? So has everyone written down the answer to this? Yes, miss.
Amit, one person is video off. You just tell him to switch on the video.
Okay, whose video is off?
I think Ryan.
Okay, Ryan, could you switch on your video? Give me a second. Okay, yeah. Is turned on right now. So if anyone wants me to repeat any of these questions, you could ask right now. Is it clear to everyone?
What was the seventh question?
Question. So this will be the seventh question. Who is this famous, renowned scientist?
Seventh question.
Yeah, this is the seventh
Okay.
question. So, who is this world-renowned scientist and physician? He was also an early writer of science fiction as well, but mainly he is a physicist. Who is this person? You can tell me when you're done with the question. Is it done?
You can, yes.
Okay, so does anyone else have any doubts? Any doubts, or do you want me to repeat the question? You can say right now. So if everyone, it's clear for everyone, could you please reply?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, could everyone reply as well?
It's clear.
I will right now. I'll post a number here as well as I'll post it in the group. I'll post a contact. So I want you to send your answers there. Give me a second. Okay, yeah. So I have sent this number.
Everyone, don't forget
Number?
to send your name.
Yes, please send your name. Don't mind the name of the number here. Job sharing right now.
Can I left hand send the image?
What is it?
Can I left hand send the image?
Yeah, sure. Just join soon, okay?
Okay.
Has everyone sent Abhijit the answers?
Yeah.
What about the others? So whoever sent the answers, please reply.
I have sent it. You send it.
Okay. Okay. I request everyone to keep the camera on the whole time. Please do not switch it off anytime.
All joined back. Shall we continue, Navneet?
Just wait, I'm asking Abhijit. Abhijit, did everyone reply?
Yeah, I have sent. But in this mobile, I don't have charge, so I am switching into another mobile. Okay. So I want
Yeah, sure.
1 minute.
Okay, so see that everyone sent the answers. So Abhijit will now start with the correction. Start as soon as Amarnath rejoins.
Where is Mayuka?
Is it-
One more girl is there now. 5 participants.
Could you ask her to rejoin? Okay, so this is Amarnath, right?
Yes.
Okay, please turn on your video. Okay,
There is round 2.
Okay, as soon as everyone, I'll start correcting them.
okay, great. So Abhijit will start correcting right now. As soon as Mayuka rejoins, I'll start with round 2.
In round 2, we should have paper and pen.
You have, I'll tell you the rules of round 2 again. I'll start presenting right now. So round 2, how it basically works is that where. So this is round 2. Round 2, how it works is that there are rounds in this. So the first one, I have to do one thing before that. I will select, I'll put a random number generator here and assign each one of you a number. So has everyone joined? See that she has still not joined Mayuka. Okay, yeah, she is here. So Mayuka, could you turn your video on? Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'll I'll assign each of you a random number so that when I call the number, you have to unmute yourself and you have to talk. So I will ask you the question. I want you to reply.
Okay.
If we don't know, we should say
Okay,
pass.
so yes, just say pass. If you first you have 5 options, you can select any one of them. So first round I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second round I'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's see. So first I'll give the number for Amarnath. So okay, so Amarnath, you will get the number 1. Just remember it first. So when I call the number 1, you have to reply. And next is going to be let's see. The next is going to be Ryan. I want you to remember the number I'm going to give you right now. So Ryan will be number 4. And next for Shishi, I will give you, it's number 3. Next, I'll give for Fidan. So it's going to be number 2. Then, so Mayuka will be number 5. Okay, write this down. So as I call the number, I want you to unmute yourself and select one of the options you are given. I want you to answer the question. Is it clear?
Now, can you say once more?
So present my screen. Okay. So this is round 2. Basically, let's see. You have 5 options here. So the first person I'll call, they have to select one of these topics from these: chemistry, physics, biology, space, or ISRO. You have to, could you reply?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, Navneet, I have finished correcting the first round.
Okay, great. You can just keep the scores there. Will once again, you can repeat the scores after this round is done.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to select one of these topics. You have chemistry, physics, biology, space, or ISRO. So when I click on that, there will be a question related to the given topic here. You can either answer the question or pass. If you answer correctly, you will get 20 points. You will get you will be subtract. So 10 points will be subtracted, or you can say pass. Then you don't have to answer. So no point change will be there. Is it clear?
Yes, clear. So can I choose my topic?
So, yes, so Amarnath, right?
Yes.
Okay, Amarnath, you can choose your topic. Abhijit, please keep score here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so Amarnath, which topic do you want to choose?
Can I choose my subject?
Take space.
No. So I will say only the person who I'm talking to should unmute and choose the topic. So you select space, right? Give me a second here. Amarnath, is your camera on?
Tell me.
Okay, so your camera is on. So I'll ask you the question. Have you unmuted yourself?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I'll you have selected space, so I'll select this and you will be given a question. I want you to answer within a minute. Okay, so space. The question you are given is, this here is a nebula. I want you to identify the nebula that is shown here.
Pass.
Can you are passing? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're passing, the answer here is Horsehead Nebula, or also known as Barnard 33. So, Abhijit, I think you saw you're keeping track of points, right?
Yes, I am.
Brilliant. So, next is going to be number 2. That is going to be Fithin, right?
Yeah.
You can choose any topic other than space here.
I'll choose biology.
Okay, great. So you chose biology. So here you see the Gateway of India. This is actually a clue. The X group. This is a rare blood type found in 0.0004% of the world human population. Mostly found in the Indian subcontinent, that is India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, and parts of the Middle East such as Iran. Not sure if you can actually see the question. So if you want me to repeat, I can repeat it again. Identify X. Okay.
Repeat
The
it.
X is a rare blood group found in 0.0004% of the world human population. X is mostly found in the Indian subcontinent, that is India, Bangladesh, or Pakistan, and even parts of the Middle East such as Iran. Identify the blood group. Are you typing the answer?
No.
Please, don't follow any malpractice.
I'm not.
Yeah, sure. I can hear
Could
someone
you rotate
typing
your
there.
camera around first?
Okay. There's no one here.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Please, no one training malpractices.
I choose
Yes, please don't show any malpractices. Okay. Identify the blood group.
I choose AB negative.
AB negative. This question is that it's a very rare blood group, only found in 0.004%. Go with AB negative.
No.
It's not a blood group. It's just a rare blood type. It's not a blood group.
O negative.
Okay, you're sure you're going with O negative.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. The answer is HH or Bombay blood group. So it's really rare. It's not seen anywhere. So since you have answered wrong, I have to subtract 10 points from your total. Okay, so next is going to be Shishira. Could you unmute yourself, please?
In that, can I ask one small question? Previous round, how
Yeah.
did you calculate the marks? One question, how much mark carries?
Yeah, so one question carries 10 points in the first round. In this, the correct answer carries 20 points. Wrong answer carries negative 10 points. And if you pass, there is no points. Shishira, could you unmute yourself?
Yes, it is unmuted.
Okay. Okay. So which topic do you want to choose? Anything other than biology or aerospace?
I'll choose chemistry.
Okay, so you choose chemistry here. The question is, in 1983 April's Fool's Day edition in the Durant Express, a weekly newspaper in Durant, Michigan, it reported that a chemical named DHMO had been found in the city's water pipe and warned that it was fatal if inhaled and could produce blistering vapors. What is DHMO?
I'll pass it.
You're sure you're passing it?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. So the answer to this question is, it's already given, it's dihydrogen monoxide, also known as H2O, that is water. So there won't be any score reduced from your any point. No points will be reduced. So I will go back right now. Let's go back. Okay. Next is going to be who's number 4? Ryan, could you unmute yourself? Hello. Am I audible to everyone else?
Yeah, it is audible.
Okay. So Ryan, could you unmute yourself and turn your video on?
I think he has some network issue. Might be.
So I'll come back to him later then. So Mayuka, could you turn your video on? No, could you turn your could you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay. So since Ryan is not here, you can choose any of these, which is physics and ISRO. Which one do you choose?
Space.
Okay, so ISRO that is.
Yes.
Okay, so ISRO. This is the question. This image shows RLVTD that is developed by the ISRO. ISRO aims to reduce the cost of launching vehicles, launching satellites to low Earth by 80% by returning to the ground after satellite delivery. What is RLV? You can see this in the diagram. It is an RLV. So could you define? No, could you expand what is RLV?
Pass.
Okay, so you are passing as well. So RLV means, okay, so this is known as, this is how it goes. It ascends, then it burns out and it releases it. So it comes back to the ground after some time. So it is known as reusable launch vehicle. So Ayan, are you here? So you too, you don't get any point or anything is reduced. Ayan, are you here? No, Ryan, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, could you? Okay, all right. So since you have you could you have to answer the physics question that is given here. So are you ready? Okay, the question
Yes.
here is: in 2000, Sir Andre Game got X for levitating a frog using magnets. He was later awarded the 2010 Nobel Prize in Physics. His stated aim of X Prize is to honor achievements that make people laugh and then make them think. Of Nobel Prize, what is X Prize? So essentially, this is a parody of Nobel Prize, which actually gives people, which is given to people who actually do some achievements that make people laugh and later make them think. What is X?
Pass.
Are you answering this question? You are passing as well. Passing.
Yes.
Okay, so this is actually known as the Ig Nobel Prize. It's a very renowned prize. Nowadays, it was unknown those days, but now many people know this. So we are done with the first sub round of this round. I think Abhijit can take over from here.
Okay, sure. Everyone, welcome to the second round of the second round of the quiz.
Abhijit, tell reading to switch on video.
Okay. Navneet, could you please? Okay.
Yep. Give me a second here. Okay.
Okay, so behind this text contains the photo of five scientists. You have to choose one and say who is this. So who's first? Amarnath.
Yes,
Okay, choose any of.
I think since the first round we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we should go back this time.
it's fine.
Okay, so Shishira, right?
No, actually, let's start with Ryan here. He was the last one to answer. So we'll go from Ryan, then Mayuka, Shishira, Fidin, and Amarnath.
Okay. Ryan, could you unmute yourself? Okay. So you have to choose from these 5 types. Ryan, can you hear me? Ryan?
Ryan, please respond.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. So you have to choose from one of the 5 types shown in the presentation. You question and we will select them.
I can't see presentation.
It's in the paper
I'm
box.
still, give me a second. I'm still presenting, right? Yeah, I'm still presenting here.
Yes, we can.
Okay.
We can see.
Okay, you can see the screen, right? So now can you see the presentation?
Ryan, can you see now?
Can you see, Ryan?
No,
Yes, you have to select any one of the pictures.
And have you pinned someone else?
I think is the question is not clear for you. Ryan,
Ryan,
I can't
can you
see
explain again?
presentation.
Okay.
it is visible. Why can't
Ryan,
you see?
Wait, Ryan, could you try to join again? Maybe that's the problem. Could you join again? Quit this call and join again.
Then I think you can ask the next person, Abhijit. Luka.
Okay, then it will be Mayuka.
Okay, miss. Okay, Mayuka,
Okay.
could you unmute yourself and select
Wait, no,
anyone?
I think Ryan is here again. Let's ask him himself. And can you see the presentation now?
Yes.
Okay, you have to select from one of them. Any one of them.
Pass.
This one, first one.
First one.
Yes, yes,
Right.
pass.
No, you
have
can't
to
pass.
select
You
anyone.
can select first. Later, if you want, you can pass.
Yes.
Select one of
You
the
have to
pictures.
select anyone.
Third one.
Third one, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
So
third one.
who is this person? Can you guess who is this famous scientist?
Navneet, if you click it, it will magnify.
What? You can see it, right?
Yes.
So you need to click it again.
Yes, you have to click it again.
No, I am able to see.
Okay.
So identify the scientist.
Pass.
Are you sure? There is no negative mark here, right, Navneet?
Only if you answer wrong, there is a negative marking.
Okay. Ryan, are you sure?
And I passing.
Yes, anyway, he said pass. We'll move on to next one.
All right, Navneet will pass.
Okay, so this is actually Hargobind Khurana.
He got Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering cell structures and okay. So who's next?
Next will be Mayuka.
Okay, Mayuka, you have remaining 4. First one. Okay. Navneet.
Give me a second here.
Okay.
Mayuka is a,
So identify the scientist. You have to turn on your video also. Could you repeat it again?
Subramania Chandrika.
you cannot talk. Could you at least type it in the chat?
Yes. Could you type it in the chat if we can hear what you're saying? Might be a network problem. Okay.
Vigna sir.
I'm sorry, it's not Vikram Sarabhai.
Sorry, what is it? I didn't know. Just 1 second.
It's not Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, you can show the answer. End of nuclear reactors. Okay, Navneet, could you go back to this selection?
So next is going to be.
Is there any problem for taking screenshot?
No, I'm sure you can do it.
Just don't search in Google.
No.
Okay. Okay, select anyone. Who's next?
Shishira, could you unmute yourself?
Yes, I'll select the second one.
Which one?
Pandita.
Second one.
Navneet. Navneet, could you click it?
Are you answering this question? Oh, yes.
Okay, you have got lucky. There's a clue in the picture. Identify her.
I'll pass it.
So this is actually
Your voice is breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
It's breaking.
This is breaking, Abhijit. Navneet, you can speak.
okay. So this is actually Tessie Thomas, who is also known as the Missile Woman of India. So now we have Vidhan. Vidhan, could you please
Okay, okay.
unmute yourself?
Yeah, I've unmuted.
Let's see. So which one do you want to select?
Fourth one.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Who is this person?
I pass. I pass.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so this is actually M.S. Swaminathan, who is the father of Green Revolution in India. So I think only Amarnath is left. So Amarnath, I think could you unmute yourself?
Yeah. Okay.
You can choose.
There is no need of choosing now. Only the last one is left.
There's only one. Yeah. Okay. So who is this?
I pass.
This is actually a relatively little bit more easy one. So this is actually S.N. Bose. Boson's a class on elementary subatomic particles and particle physics were named after him. So I think we reached the end of round 2 as well. Give me a second here. So I think give me a second. So Abhijit, do you have the scores? Abhijit?
I'm tapping.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, your voice is breaking, Abhijit.
Nothing is being here. I am only able to hear Navneet Warrior's voice. No one else's voice is.
I'll just ask him. Okay, so this was end of round 2 as well. So
Okay. I have calculated.
okay, great. Could you tell the results, please? Could everyone turn on the videos again? I think everyone turn it off.
If anyone find any mistakes, please point them out. 2
Yes.
marks. 2 marks.
I mean, so total.
Ayan Mayuga, 6 marks. Ryan, 0 marks. Minus 2 marks. Shishira, 10 marks. So this is how marks are.
I think you counted it actually. Abhijit, could you just type the results here? Could you please mute yourself? There's some disturbance there.
Okay.
Abhijit will be typing the marks right there. Actually, it's not like 2, 6, however he said it. It's actually 20 marks, 60 marks, 100 marks, like that. So give me a second. So no, actually there is one more round left. So we'll just complete that last round and we'll end this zone. So your number base itself. This is actually round 4. This is a rapid fire round. So are you all? Am I audible?
Yes.
Could you all reply? Okay, so this is the rapid fire round as I told before. So every student will get 1 minute to answer. So I will present you questions one by one. So if I present the first question and only if you say pass or answer the question, I will show you the next question. So that's how it goes. You can answer the shown questions before. You can answer the questions shown before later as well. You'll only get 1 minute to answer 5 questions. Is it clear?
Yes. Fidin and Rian, switch on your video. Fidin.
Let's see. We'll start randomly here. I think we'll start with Fidin. Then can you turn on your unmute yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second here. Okay. So you can choose any of these 5 options. So I'll repeat the rules again. You select one of these. I'll give you a 1 minute timer. You have to say the answer to the questions or pass. Only then I'll show the next question.
Okay.
Each question carries 10 marks, 10 points, and if you get all 5 correct, then you'll get extra 30 points as well.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll start the timer here on my phone. Okay, so which option do you want?
First one.
Okay, the first option, this one. Okay, I'll start right now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Name the metal ion present in chlorophyll. Name the metal ion present in chlorophyll.
Pass.
Okay, so the next question. Which radiation has the highest penetrating capacity?
Pass.
Who is the father of the modern periodic table?
Pass.
During the tenure of which prime minister was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam elected as the president? You have to tell the name of the prime minister that time.
Oh. Pass.
Can I ask one more?
Okay, so give me a second. I'll just complete this and you can ask.
Okay.
Name the first spacecraft to orbit the moon.
Pass.
You have 7 more seconds. Do you want to answer any of these? Okay, your time is up. So you haven't answered any of these questions. I'll just go to the answers right now. So the answers are, the first question, the metal ion present in chlorophyll is magnesium. The radiations which has the highest penetrating capacity is gamma radiations. Moseley is known as the father of the modern periodic table. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the prime minister when Abdul Kalam was elected. And Luna 10 is the first spacecraft to orbit the moon. Go to resume. Okay, I think Amarnath, you wanted to ask some question?
Nothing. I think if they are not able to answer the question, we can. So that was my question.
Actually, no, only they can answer the question that time.
Okay.
So I think we'll go with Shishira right now.
Can I leave?
No, wait, man. We'll complete this and you can leave. We'll just announce the last points score and you can leave after that. Shishira, could you just unmute yourself?
Yes. I'll choose third one.
Yeah.
Third one, this one. Great. So, okay. I'll keep the timer right now. And your time starts. You ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. And your time starts now. Name the protein that is present in hair and nails.
Pass.
Can I answer it? Okay, pass. So, what type of a mirror can be used to initiate burning? Mirror. There is no negative marks for this. You can just answer anything if you want.
Pass.
Which element is known as the king of poisons?
Pass.
From which institute did Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam complete his aerospace engineering degree?
DRDM.
10 more seconds. No. Okay, so last question. Which planet contains the anticyclonic storm known as the Great Red Spot? First.
Pass.
Okay, so your time is up. So I'll just show you the answers to this question. So the protein that is present in hair and nails is actually keratin. Concave mirror can be used to initiate burning. Arsenic is known as the king of poisons. Abdul Kalam graduated from Madras Institute of Technology, and the Great Red Spot known as the storm is present in Jupiter. So let's just go back now. Amarnath, do you care to unmute yourself?
Yes, a second.
Great. So, no, we have selected 1 and 3 so far, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, second one. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Name the hormone also known as the fight or flight hormone.
Pass.
What is used as a heating element in appliances like water heater?
Pass.
Name the element used in an angiogram test. You have to name a chemical element.
Pass.
What prestigious honor was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam awarded with in 2008 for his outstanding public service?
Pass.
Last question. Name the first satellite launching vehicle of India. You have still 20 more seconds. If you want to answer any of them, it's fine.
So, Aryabhatta.
What is it? Name the first satellite. No, it's not Aryabhatta. You can answer any of the other questions. You have 8 more seconds.
Bharat Ratna, that fourth one.
Okay, yeah. No, I don't think that's the answer. Let's just see the answers right now. So the answers are what is known as fight or flight hormone is adrenaline. Nichrome wire is actually used in heating appliances like water heater and all. Sodium is used in the angiogram test. Copper metal is what Abdul Kalam was awarded with. And the first satellite launching vehicle was known as SLV-3. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now we have Mayuka and Ryan who are left to answer. Mayuka, could you unmute yourself?
Okay.
Great. Do you want to choose 4 or 5?
I choose 5.
Great. So tell me when you're ready. Whenever you're ready, just tell me and start the quiz. Ready?
Start.
Okay,
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Name the disease that was caused due to mercury poisoning. It was very famous in Japan. It's the name of the region where the disease came.
Pass.
Which subatomic particle is used to trigger off nuclear reaction? Who proposed the double-stranded DNA structure? There are 2 people for this. Thirty
What?
seconds. What's it?
Watson.
And one more name is there.
Barber.
So you're half correct. I'll give you that. So next question. What is the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam?
Av- uh, Abul
Which is the
Bakr,
largest moon on Jupiter? Can't hear you properly.
Abul Bakir, Jainal Abdul Kalam.
Okay, so the answers are actually. So the first question is Minamata disease. The second question's answer is neutron. The third question, you got the first part correct. It's Watson and Crick. What I think you said Barber.
Yes.
Can we give a half marks for that question?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so the next question you answer. What was your answer? Abul Pakir. Some. So the next question's answer is actually Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. I don't think you said the full name. I think you said Abul Pakir Jamal Abdul Kalam or something. So we can't give you marks for that. And the last question is Ganymede. So I think Ryan is the only one left. Ryan, could you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay, where is it? Okay, Ryan. So you are left with option 4. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. So I'll keep the timer now.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Name the organelle also known as the traffic police of the cell.
Pass.
What is the branch? What is the name of branch of science that studies sound?
Pass.
What is the unit of measurement of purity of gold? This is an easy one.
Carrot.
Great, brilliant. That is the correct answer. When did Pokhran 2 nuclear test take place? Which year?
Pass.
And the last question, who was the first woman to reach space? Seconds.
Sunita Williams.
1. No, okay. So your time is up. The answers are actually what is known as traffic police of cell, Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. The branch of science that studies sound is acoustics. Answer you did get. Carat is the measurement of purity of gold. Pokhran 2 nuclear test took place in 1998, and Valentina Tereshkova in 1963 was the first woman to reach space. I think that is it. Just give me a second here. Okay, so this was the 3 rounds of this quiz. I will now ask Abhijit to please tell me the score. Hope you kept track of it. Abhijit?
Okay, is my voice clear?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I'm just.
Hidden got minus 20. Ryan has 10 marks. Ayanam has 65 mark. Amarnath has 20 marks. Shishra has 100 marks.
Okay. I think we have a clear winner here. So the order is, I think Shishira is first, second will be Mayuka, and third will be Amarnath. Shaila miss?
Yes. Yes, you have the result. First is
First is Shishira, second is Mayuka, and third will be Amarnath.
Okay. Congratulations.
So I thank you all for coming to the science quiz. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I know it got a little bit more late. Thank you all for coming. So I think you can all leave right now.
Okay.
Just a minute, Navneet.
Yes, miss.
Wonderful job done, Navneet. You have lots of patience, I should say, and a wonderful way of presenting it also. So let me congratulate your team for having done such a wonderful job. And so
Thank you,
patiently, you were like, you came down to the level of 6th standard students, waited so patiently for them to answer. It was a well done job. And I think you'll also be able to professionally quiz the teams. So all the best. And next
So I should thank.
span of time.
I should thank.
Yes, your team and Shaila Miss too. I should thank you for having made it into such a wonderful event. Yes, Navneet?
Yes, miss. Actually, Kishore and Abhijit are the ones who prepared most of the questions. I think should they are actually the ones who made this.
Yes. I'm coming to that. Your team has done a wonderful job. So because it was like a silent job, everything done, and then last minute everything is ready. So we didn't have any problems at all. So it was wonderfully done. And Kishore, Abhijit, and Navneet, really wonderful job. You all came down to the level of these children. So I think they had a wonderful experience, and I'm sure they'll be into quizzing again and again. So they must have been wonderfully initiated into the quizzing world by you three. Okay, congrats to your team once more. And Uma Miss, could you also please speak? And Shaila Miss too.
Hariom, I also have to say the same thing. Under the leadership of Shaila Miss, Navneet, Abhijit and Kishore, you did a wonderful job. And congratulations for conducting the quiz in a successful way. Congratulations to the winners too. I would like to see the winners once again. Will you please call the names one by one and let them open the camera and show, let all others see them once again. Okay.
Yes, miss. So we got first prizes.
When you call the name, let them open the camera and show the faces. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
So first prize is by Shishiraji Krishnan. So I would ask her to on her camera right now. And second place goes to Mayuka.
Shishira, open the camera. Shishira.
Second place goes to Mayuka.
Mayuka. Yes. They are not ready to open the camera.
Mayuga is in 6th standard actually.
Their faces are not familiar.
Mayuga has.
And their faces are not familiar to these teachers. That's why I'm saying let them open the camera. Show the face.
And third place goes to Amarnath.
Yes. Okay, congratulations all winners and participants. Navneet, Abhijit and Kishore, thank you very much. Actually, it was wonderful and thank you so much. Anyway, I think we can conclude now.
Yes. Once more, thank you all. Navneet, Abhijit and Kishore.
Navneet, sorry for that. And anyway, thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you all for being a good sport. So I think everyone can leave right now.
Okay, thank you.